In marital and family relationships, the way that we look at the causes, what is leading to what, whose behavior is leading to what kind of response, is not linear. Unlike in like 1 plus 1 equal to 2, it is not a linear relationship. Rather, the reasoning here is more a circular and rounded. I'll explain this with a small example. Let us say that an alcoholic spouse says that because my spouse is nagging, I am feeling stressed out, and then I am ending up in alcohol consumption. While the other spouse says because he or she is indulging in this alcohol misuse, I had to nag. So, how do you draw a conclusion what is first and what is next and what follows? So, most of the times in relationships related to two people or more than two people, the reasoning is more on a circular basis, and then it is chain of events rather than a single linear straightforward relationships. So it's important that one understands that it is the relationships are more reciprocal. It's not one sided, and not one person alone will be the reason for the strain in the relationship.